here in Texas. We are on our way to Brady Lake to take Louie for a walk. Louie's over here anticipating getting out of the car. But we're also going to go magnet fishing. And if you've never heard of magnet fishing before, stay tuned and we'll show you. So here you got to put on your gloves because of the dirty water and everything, plus pulling stuff off of the magnet. And then we've got to unravel the rope. And then there's also the magnet in there that will show you when he gets that out. There's the magnet, and then the hook is inside the box here. There's a hook so that if you have to hook something. Okay, so we tied it off on the dock, and then we tied it off on the magnet, and now he's getting ready to throw it in. All right, so here we go. And now we're just gonna reel it in and see if we get anything on our first throw. A lot of the magnet guys always say usually they don't get anything on the first run, but you just never know.
Well, the first thing may be a rock.
It could be. You might be able to feel something clicking on it too. I don't know. All right. Oh, you must have got something really tight on there. And then it got
probably snagged on a rock.
Well, not necessarily, but is there anything? Oh, nothing on that throw. All right, well, we're going to continue to throw and see what happens. Uh-oh, we got something here.
It is an antenna.
Oh, wow. Look at that, huh?
A little rubber antenna.
Okay, all right.
Rubber, of course, has got metal inside of it.
Okay, all right, we'll put that on the side there. That's our first catch of the day.
First catch. Yeah.
There it is. Because of a big gust of wind, the sound didn't come out right in this part, but we did find a 3-prong hook, which was pretty awesome to find. So as we showed you before, we found this antenna thing here. We even found a seashell, and it stuck to the magnet. I don't know why. This was an old fishing hook. This is an old fishing hook, 3-prong one. And then we lifted up this. Now what this is, I have no idea, but we're gonna clean it up and then we will try to figure out what it is. Yeah, that thing is dirty.
Yes, it is.
Well, it must have been underneath the water for a long time.
Alright, last thing I found was this little box here. It's got a clip that you can hang on a bucket. Hang it over the side. And what it does is it agitates water for a bait bucket. And air comes out of this little tube up here. You got a switch here. And it probably would work, except the batteries leaked. It was pretty fun, and it was interesting that we got that that little box. And we also found another spot that we're gonna try, next time we go there. So I like it. It was fun.